Can nutrition improve the effectiveness or efficacy of COVID-19 vaccine is the question I will be answering on today's episode of Ask Nutritionist Deepa. Welcome everybody. So what I'm going to go through in today's episode is extremely relevant because it talks about the effectiveness of COVID-19 vaccine, and it's most current. It just came out yesterday. So researchers at the Ohio State University posed this question and tried to study the health and behavior factors and its effect on the COVID-19 vaccine. And what did they find out? They found out that plant-based diets rich in antioxidant and fiber helped improve the effectiveness of COVID-19 vaccine. What does that mean? That people who followed the plant-based diets, again, which are rich in nutrients, not plant-based Oreo cookies and plant-based artificial meat, whole food plant-based diet, which is high in antioxidant and fiber, has shown to improve the effectiveness of vaccine, which means more antibodies were seen after the vaccine as a response of vaccine, which means the vaccine was more effective. And that response was seen sooner in those who ate this kind of diet versus those who did not have proper diet or who were very anxious or were suffering from anxiety, depression. So again, number one, the diet. Plant-based diet with high fiber and high content of antioxidants improves the efficacy or effectiveness of COVID-19 vaccine. So go and get your bowl of salad or steamed vegetables and start eating before this episode is finished. Number two, gut microbiome. They said the research found out that those with good gut health, again guys, I've been doing this for 20 years now, focusing, asking everybody to pay attention to their gut first before trying to cure any disease. So now they are now it's been shown that those with good gut microbiome, healthy gut microbiome, or those with good combination of probiotic and prebiotic in their system, are showing to have more or those with good gut microbiome with healthy or with healthy gut are more are shown to have better response to COVID-19 vaccine. So, and they are also indicating that those who are taking a supplement for comprehensive multivitamin, what does that mean? A good quality multivitamin which has lot of minerals and vitamins, as well as those who are taking probiotic supplements, are shown to respond better for the COVID-19 shot. So all in all, I am requesting you to eat more plant-based diet, not the processed one, but the one that is high in fiber, antioxidants, polyphenols. Think of it like a robust salad or a big bowl of vegetables along with some millet and some buckwheat or a handful of beans and lentils and chia seeds, flax seeds, all kinds of colored vegetables. That's going to be your vaccine shot number 3 or 2, depending on which one you are getting. But what I'm trying to say is the diet is going to be a booster. And those of you who haven't gotten the vaccine yet, I'm going to recommend that you get your diet under control or start adding more plant-based, more vegetables, more fiber to your diet. So when it's your turn to get the vaccine, your microbiome, your digestive tract is going to be up and running. Make sure you are taking your vitamin D3. Again, I've been talking about vitamin D3 and its role in COVID-19. So start taking your vitamin D3, start taking the multivitamins, and start taking your probiotics. Pay attention to your gut health, and let those antibodies work for us. Thank you, and keep your questions coming. And that's it. Until next time. Thanks. Bye bye.